Script: How to Work as a Delivery Driver in Temu, 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to work as a delivery driver for Temu, step by step, and the real way it works. Let's get started. First, open the Temu or visit their website. Important truth: First, Temu does not hire delivery drivers directly. Instead, it works with third-party delivery companies like courier services, logistics partners, independent contractor platforms. So you won't apply inside Temu itself. Step 1. Apply through delivery companies. To work as a Temu driver, apply to companies like local courier services, delivery contractor companies. Many drivers deliver Temu plus Amazon plus other packages together. Step 2. Meet requirements. To get started, you typically need valid driving license, your own vehicle, smartphone, basic delivery experience. Some companies also require age 18 plus or 21 plus. Insurance. Step 3. Get approved and start delivering. Once approved, you'll pick up packages from a warehouse, deliver them to customers. Use an app for routes and tracking. Drivers usually deliver multiple packages daily. Step 4. Earnings and work style. Most Temu delivery drivers work as independent contractors. Earnings can vary, but many jobs pay per delivery or per hour. Step 5. Work smart. Pro tips: Plan routes to save fuel. Deliver on time to avoid penalties. Keep your vehicle maintained. Use GPS for faster delivery. Bonus tip: You can increase income by working with multiple delivery apps at the same time. And that's it. Now you know how to work as a Temu delivery driver the real way in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want, I